When I grab the camera and take a shot, I'm thinking about creating a memory, a moment. It can be of something that I see on the street or something I'm creating in the studio. My name is Cecilia Cruz and I'm a portrait and documentary photographer from Mexico. I like experimenting with different ways of presenting a portrait. And the cyanotype technique is one of my favorites because it is very satisfying. You can see in minutes what you are doing, and it's also eco-friendly. So you don't have to worry about touching any dangerous chemicals when using this technique. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to create a portrait using the cyanotype technique. You are going to learn everything I know about cyanotypes. I'm going to guide you through the entire process, from mixing the solution to choosing the paper, creating the digital negative, how to wash it, and how to present it. To create your first project, you just need the cyanotype kit with brushes, watercolor paper, an old frame and binder clips, basic knowledge of Photoshop, transfer paper and a printer, a place to wash your print, and the sunlight. This class is for any skill level. So if you are just starting in photography or have been doing it for a number of years, this class is perfect for you and to use your creativity and create beautiful portraits. If you don't know where to start, what about taking a photo of your family or your friends, your pet, or yourself? Share with us your portraits and final cyanotype prints in the gallery below. I'm very excited to start this class and see all of your projects. So let's get started.